Hey now, YouTube. Well, we're back in my car again with a very important question. Will it start? The car's been sitting here for 2 days. Temperature has been minus 15, minus 17 the past couple of days, so let's see what happens. It's alive. As you can see there, the outside temperature is minus 17 Celsius, 0 Fahrenheit for my American friends, and that's without the wind chill, which is I think minus 28 Celsius or minus 17 Fahrenheit. Anyway, I'm just trying to warm up the car, clear off the snow on the window here. And that's it.